We are all facing challenges and uncertainties as we navigate through these very difficult times. The Mind Body Fitness for Life program shows you how to manage life with less stress, fear, or worry. It reveals the secrets of mastering your mind, mastering your body, so you can feel confident, productive, and empowered. I'll be your guide. I'm Peggy Sealfon, a personal development coach, and I've been through a lot myself these last couple of years and before. I've trained with world masters in Eastern and Western traditions, so I have a lot of transformational tools in my toolbox to share with you. You'll hear about techniques to build confidence, resilience, vitality, energy, and improve well-being in every part of your life. I share more than just strategies and information. I give you experiences that allow you to feel differences immediately in your own mind and body. I cover health, fitness, mental wellness, managing stress and anxiety, sleep issues, work, life purpose, relationships, and so much more. You'll learn extremely effective ways to embrace everyday choices that can change your life and tune you into your best potential. I'm passionate about helping others supercharge their lives. So if it's time for you to learn the secrets of overcoming challenges and adversity so that you can enjoy life more, reach out to me today. Are you still here?